Okay, somebody asked me a question about the quad lock, so I'm going to quickly answer it for you. I've got quite a few cars. I've got quite a few quad locks. I've got 6 quad locks, but I haven't got one in each car. I've got about 2 in each car. One here for the phone, and one usually about the middle of the windscreen down low, out of my view to the bonnet, that I put a old camera in, a phone, and bada bing, bada boom, talk to the car for a while, because, you know, maybe I'm on my own and I got bored, but right now I'm talking to the car, I'm talking to the quad lock, and people say, oh, they're rubbish. Don't you have problems with that falling off, this sort of thing? Oh, mine's no good, it falls off. I just want to give you a couple of brief bits of information to help you avoid that situation. Mine don't fall off. Well, they do fall off, and this is why they fall off. If you put this on in winter, it's going to fall off in summer. If you put this on in Melbourne, it's going to fall off in Darwin. It's as simple as that. And this got installed onto a vehicle right here as it is in Melbourne in winter. And then I drove to Darwin, and on one of the first days, I parked here in the hot sun. I noticed it was a little bit loose, so I just open the thing that locks it in, I push it in nice and firm, and I lock it up. Now that it's been done in the highest heat, you shouldn't have any issues with it. That's what I've found. You can see there's an air pocket in there. See the seal is around here? There's an air pocket in there. So if you stick it in a cool environment, then it's going to expand, contract, whatever the case may be. You get the picture, and it's going to become loose. So you stick it in hot temperatures. If you're the time to stick it on is in summer, as far north, if you're in Australia, as possible. If you have a change of climate, you might need to re-stick it if you notice it's a bit loose, anything like that. Short and sweet, 2 minutes, subscribe, turn the bell on, there's your information. Bada bing, bada boom. They are very expensive, so I'm not saying you should go and buy one, but they do work well. That's why I use them. Bada bing, see ya.